So today we're going to look at how to add a Bitget API key. Now, firstly, we're going to come up here to the settings. Click on settings. Now come down to accounts. Click on accounts. Click on add account. So the difference here with Bitget is that you'll need to log into Bitget firstly. Now, of course, with Bitget, you'll be required to provide them with your security details. And this might differ depending on how you set it up. Usually it requires an email verification and a 2FA verification. Now, once you come into Bitget, if you click on your user icon at the top, come down to API Keys, click on API Keys, then we want to click on Create API Key. Now, it's important here we want to click on System Generated API Keys. Now, the top part, note, means the name that we're going to give this API key. And the difference here with other API keys, we also need to give it a passphrase, which is basically just a password. So I'm going to give this API key a name. Just call it Bitget API. And I'm going to use a alphanumerical password. And it's important to remember this password as it won't be present again during this process. This is the important part. We want to, the read-write is already default selected. So we want to click on Orders, Holdings, Spot Trade, and Margin Trade. Then scroll down to the bottom. Now we need to add in the IP address whitelist. So if we come back over to our terminal, we can copy and paste these IP whitelist, and we can paste them into this box here. Click on Next. It will take you through the security process again. Get the security details that you need, and then you'll be presented with this screen here. This shows us the linked IP addresses, the API key, and also the secrets key. So what we want to do firstly is copy the API key, come back over to the terminal, give it a name, paste the API key in here, come back to Bitget, copy the secrets, paste the secrets, and also remember our passphrase from before. Then click Connect. Once we've added that, click Save, come up to the top, click Connect, and then we will click on Bitget. And we can see now we're now linked to Bitget. The order book should start filling up and trade should start coming in. Just to double check this is all connected, and let's place a little trade. Okay. Good. So you can see that's been filled. Everything's connected. I hope you enjoy using Bitget on the terminal. Thank you very much. Bye.